Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's fun video, we're going to be making some pecan chocolate chip cookies. 188 grams of all-purpose flour, that is 1 1/4 cups. 115 grams of melted butter, 1/2 cup. 100 grams of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup. 165 grams of brown sugar, 3/4 cup. 100 grams of pecans, 1 cup. 170 grams of chocolate chips, 1 cup. 5 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon. 1 large egg. 3 grams of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. And our last ingredient, 5 grams of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For my first step, I'll get all of my granulated sugar into the mixer. And then my brown sugar. And then all of my butter. And I am using salted butter, but I am still using a little bit extra salt. Close this down. Just give this a little bit of a mix. I'm going to get my egg into the mixer. And I always use large eggs in every single one of my recipes. And then all of my salt. I'm going to get this going. Okay, that's about maybe 45 seconds of mixing. I'm just going to get my vanilla in there right now before I get the dry ingredients in. Give that another little mix. And I was using full speed on this Cuisinart stand mixer. So I have my flour here and my baking soda. I just want to get those together. Give that a little bit of a mix. That's good. And then I'm just going to pour all of that in, just like that. And it's at this point, now that we've added the flour, we don't want to overmix this, so I'm just going to go on a very low speed. Close this down. That's speed number 1. That's 2. I won't go any higher than 2. And at this point, you just want to mix until it starts getting together and until it combines. So I'd say that's good. I'm just now going to get in all of my chocolate chips, and I am using semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use any type of chocolate chip that you enjoy. And then all of our pecans. And I like to take my pecans, I just put them into a frying pan, turn it on to about a medium heat, and just let them go a little bit. It just kind of toasts them up a little bit and just gives them a lot more flavor. And now just slow speed again, slowly mix all of this together just until combined. This dough smells amazing. So that's it. So now I'm going to get my cookie sheet ready and I'll be back. So there is my really nice cookie dough. So I'm going to use my cookie scoop. I'm just going to get in there, push it against the side of the bowl. Makes that super easy. And then just pop it out just like that. So I'm going to continue on and I'll be back in a second. So I got my cookies ready to go. I'm going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is 177 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake these for about 9 minutes. I've got a little bit of cookie dough left. I am going to go bake that as well, and then I'm going to bake all the cookies, and then I'll come back. Hey everybody, I'm back. All my cookies are baked, and it smells amazing in here. So some of my cookies I did for 9 minutes, the other ones I did for 10. And on the second batch, I noticed that my oven was a little bit hotter, so the cookies flattened out a little bit more here. So I got 12 cookies, 11 of them were full scoops, and one of them was a little bit thinner, and I'm not sure if it was, I guess it was this one right here, because it's super, super thin. But there we have it. So 12 cookies. Amazing. All right, let's just go in on one. Look at that. Nice. Oh, let's just take some of this. Look at this. Oh, super, super moist. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that is good. That combo of the pecans and the chocolate chips, over the top delicious. Yum. If you love chocolate chip cookies and pecans, you're going to love this combo in this recipe. So I hope you try it out soon. If you do, let me know down in the comments. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you wish. It really helps me out. And if you're on Facebook or Instagram, I'm over there as well, at BakeLikeAPro. So again, thank you very much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another bite. These are so chewy and gooey. So, so good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.